Aradhya Sharma. I'm from Chandigarh and I received my package from Manmart today and I'm so excited to open it. So I wanted to show it to you all. So let's start. Oh my god, they gave us these pens which clicks, and let's see, I've got a mask which has Manmart education written on it. It's really pretty. And this is this is a pen drive. I think this will have all the books which we need for our MBBS course from first to the last year. So this is pretty cool. Now let's open this. Oh my god, I've got a stethoscope.
So you have 2 stethoscopes, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have 2 stethoscopes now. I have a pen holder which has Manmart Education Private Limited written on it. It's a great bright color.
It's cool.
Yeah, very cool. And there is one more box. It's a cup from Manmart. Wow. And last but not the least, I have masks which are disposable, which I will use tomorrow for my travel. So yes, I'm excited. Thank you Manmart for all this cool stuff. I'm so excited to go to Russia.